So we'll begin with the illustration. I didn't tell till now what we just saw. Actually, what we are trying to learn is your DC motor. DC stands for your direct current. So that's what we are trying to understand. Okay. Now, how to illustrate that? That is how to represent this system on a sheet of paper. So it's quite simple. This is the most simplest motor that we can make. So you need a magnet. I've listed all the things over here. You need an armature. What is an armature and all of that we'll be learning. Then we have brush represented by B, right? B1, B2, and we have split ring. Okay, so there are four main things that we need to know, right? So how to draw this? I mean, it's kind of simple, I know, but still, in exam, how to do this? So say if I don't prefer rough diagram, rough hand, or freehand actually, not rough hand, freehand. So we'll try to use scale. First, we'll draw a magnet, right? So if you guys are not okay with all this kind of view, you guys can just draw this a rectangle, right, in this manner, and then draw. This is known as split ring. Basically, it's a circle. Okay, so it's kind of a circle. So, but it's not joint. So it's half the way, something like this. Okay, you not join it, and then you have something called as a brush. And then connect this to a battery source. Okay, and you're done. That's it. So post this, you need to label this rectangle structure known as armature AB, CD. So I keep this end as north and this end as south. And I have drawn dotted line over here. So in the middle, I've drawn the dotted line. I hope you guys understand that this is the line around which the armature rotates. Okay. You watch the video again, you guys will understand. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Rings and brushes. So B1, B2, R1 and R2. Right. A bit of more space would have made sense over here, like this, Now, in this particular structure, can you guys guess which part is what? It's kind of obvious if you actually just pause and think about it. At least few things are very obvious. So rest of it I'll explain if you're not able to. Okay, so let's begin with the obvious ones. The magnet. The second one, that is, this can be north and this is south, I guess. I don't know. To be frank, I don't know which is north, which is south. This is your armature. Okay, so it's tilted a bit. So it's something like this. Connected to your split ring. So this part is a bit shiny actually. But yes, this is aluminum foil. And if you carefully look at it, can you see a wire? Right? Can you see this copper wire here? Let me use black over here. So that is what is the one which is kind of connecting. And there are many turns, not a single turn. So of course, we don't represent all such many turns in your diagram. But yeah, this is the one connecting to the split ring. And this kind of weird thing over here, let me put it in green, I guess. That's your brush. See, brush. Okay, once you understand the working, then you'll be able to appreciate how it is. Right? So that's your brush. Right? And the battery at this end. So I think I mentioned all of it. Huh. Right. So again, just watch the video which has the labeling.